Operations Division is currently doing maintenance dredging of federal navigation channels in New York Bay. These are deep draft federal navigation channels that's used by large commercial container vessels to navigate into the port of New York. Dredging is the removal of the bottom material from federal navigation channels to ensure our channels are at the authorized depth, and it allows for safe navigation of large commercial vessels to traverse through those channels. So I want you to imagine like all these bottom sediments swirling around in New York Bay in various waterways, and at times because of storm or current, these sediments move into our channel and accumulate into our channel, and at times it raises the level, bottom elevation so much that it becomes a potential hazard for these large container vessels to enter and out of New York Bay. These container vessels, run the risk of grounding or restriction of death, which is all a big impact to our economy, because these container vessels behind me, they have to get in and out to ensure the smooth flow of import and export into the New York, New Jersey region. So what we do in maintenance dredging is that we move these bottom material that's accumulated to the authorized channel depth, which in this case is -50. And we ensure that these vessels can enter and leave our port of New York safely and speedily. So the project started in September 2025 and expected to be completed in February of 2026.